In this video, I'll take you through the process of choosing the correct bowl for creating a Feng Shui abundance bowl. Check the links below for my other videos that take you through the 8 important steps to create your own personalized bowl and more ideas to fill your bowl. By going through this ancient practice, you send a message to the universe that says, I wish to increase my family's well-being. This bowl is a personalized collection of Feng Shui symbols assembled to assist you in attracting prosperity, money, and abundance into your life. Consider these guidelines as a starting point. When you sense that something is different or new, trust your intuition and assume that something different is required. Remember, money is energy which flows, so making changes to your bowl over time is natural. There are several methods to build an abundance bowl, so don't get too caught up in making it right or perfect. But first, let's choose your bowl. Select one that is generally not too flat and is about the size of a cereal bowl. Don't use a plate. A plate doesn't have enough depth to hold money. The ideal bowl is unquestionably a circular one. Square is the only other basic shape you should utilize since it symbolizes the earth. Avoid triangular or rectangular bowls, especially those with limited breadths. A narrow width indicates a limited range of wealth and luck. Metal bowls are most popular among Feng Shui practitioners because they're connected with good luck. To attract earth luck, use earth-based materials such as porcelain, stone, or even crystals. Other natural materials like wood and bamboo can work wonderfully as well. Consider that if you can see the components through the bowl, it may signify riches pouring out. So it's best to go with a bowl that isn't completely clear. Hit like and subscribe and share this with someone if you think they could use abundance in their life.